You know those AI chatbots everyone's obsessed with? You ask a question, it answers, and then it just sits there, like a waiter who brings the menu and then goes home. Who does that? Well, one Austrian programmer got fed up and built OpenClaw. OpenClaw is a personal AI assistant that lives on your computer and actually does things. Not a chatbot, an agent. A chatbot tells you how to clean your files. An agent cleans them. And you talk to it through WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, whatever you use. It's like a friend who answers at 3 a.m. and never asks to borrow money. Watch flight prices and tell me when they drop. It watches, they drop, it tells you. Sort my downloads folder. Done. Answer my boss. Politely. Done. Worth it for that alone. So, how does this thing work? 3 parts. Part 1, the brain. It borrows a big AI model like Claude or GPT. Part 2, the hands. 100+ skills. Move files, browse the web, run your computer. Part 3, the house. It all runs on a machine you control. Now, it runs fine on your computer, but Alexander recommends a VPS, a small computer you rent in the crowd for a few bucks a month. And when Alexander recommends something, you write it down, okay? It never sleeps, never restarts, and nobody spills coffee on it. You sleep, the lobster works. Even Microsoft said, we'll have what he's having, and build their own. So, pretty, OpenClaw is just an AI you finally get to keep. On your machine, in your chats, handling the stuff you keep putting off. Thanks for watching.